name is Josephine Orangi Mogaka. I am the hotel manager, Machakos University Hotel and Conference Center. This is a subsidiary of Machakos University where we co-create sustainable future. Our core mandate is to provide services, mainly hospitality services, which range from conference, accommodation, and catering. We are located 60 kilometers from Nairobi. This is where most of our clients are drawn from. We cater for different groups, both private and public, and we have the advantage of our location. We have very spacious and ample parking. We have good security provided by both internal and external firms. We have 67 rooms. We have the standard rooms and executive rooms. So guests choose what kind of guest rooms they prefer according to their taste and what they are able to spend. We have different sizes of rooms that range from as small as 5 members in the conference. Then we have our largest conference room is called Kilimambogo, which has very good conference facilities and can accommodate up to 500 people at one go. So next time you're in Machakos or Nairobi, we are the place to visit.
Greetings, my name is Chef Anthony. I welcome you to Machakos University Hotel, where we serve local, continental, and international cuisine. Karibuni sana.
My name is Zipporah Obed, the restaurant manager, Machakos University Hotel. I take this opportunity to welcome you to our restaurant in particular, to sample our services. We offer the best quality services in town and indoor and outdoor catering. For inquiries, you can reach us on the contacts below. Thank you.